So almond flour, peanut butter, that's
almond
it. So
flour,
this is going to be a healthier version, a little bit of honey.
Okay.
We've got chocolate chips, and then I'm going to add in protein powder right here. So basically, it's protein powder, it's almond flour, it's healthy fat from peanut butter, and it's really like you could actually have it before the gym, after the gym for a high-protein sweet snack. I'm adding a little bit of water here. We're going to mix this up, and here's what we're going to end up with. I know you're not a sweet person, so you might not want to try it, but
that's so weird.
No, okay, you're not a sweet person. There are a lot of sweet. I always say I have a mouth of sweet teeth.
You don't bake this or anything.
You don't bake it.
It's like eating cookie dough.
You can just eat it. So this is kettle corn. All I did was use some unrefined coconut oil, so high quality coconut oil. Put that in the pot on the stove.
Right.
You know, let a kernel pop. You know how to do that because
of course.
I used to never do that, and I would burn my popcorn. Throw the kernels in there with a little bit of sugar. Stir it around. So literally 1 teaspoon of sugar. That is it for a quarter cup of kernels, which makes 3 big cups of popcorn.
Right.
3 big cups. You like that? Anyway, 3 cups of popcorn. Sprinkle a little cinnamon after and a little bit of sea salt, and it's really delicious.
It's sweet and it's savory.
It's a little sweet, and so it's savory, but it's a little sweet too. What do you think? So first, we're going to start with sweet potato nachos. Drizzle a little olive oil on sweet potato. And the thing about this, I use a whole sweet potato, and you can eat the entire plate, and it's only 1 whole sweet potato, or you can cut it in half.
What did you sprinkle on there?
So we just sprinkled chili powder and cayenne. So it's giving it a nice kick. And cayenne also, the spice is really satisfying. And while that's cooking, you just cook up some peppers here and onions. As those cook, we just spread these right on top, and then we're going to put black beans on top. We're going to add some salsa. Right on top. So look at this. By the way, you're going to end up being able to eat this entire tray.
You can cook
with avocado right in the oven, just for a few minutes. You're going to warm that whole thing up.
Grab your nachos.
And this can be a whole meal. And really, all it is, again, it's sweet potato. Yeah. So you can add the cilantro
and a little bit of cilantro or parsley. Fabulous.
And again, if you wanted to, you could add the cheese.